Alright guys, we're going to show you the computer portion of doing your VT software data download. Right here we're on the BucherMunicipal.com website. Just type that into your browser. Once it pops up, you're going to click Products. Come over here to Sweepers, click Software Update. It'll load up. Right here you have your V-Range update, revision AA. You're going to click download. It'll download, takes it just a minute. Alright, once that download's done, you're going to need to click in to the folders and find these files right here. Now what I've done is made a folder for revision AA already on my desktop. You're going to copy all of these files into that folder. Very, very important that they stay in this order. And then after you get them into an external file that you already have saved here, then all you need to do is put it on your jump drive, and we'll go to the truck and do the part in the truck.